Before pulling a fiber optic cable, the root and every manhole have to be prepared carefully. Next, a fiberglass duct rod is pushed through the duct until it reaches the next manhole. Once the rod reaches the other side, the fiber cable is securely connected for the pull. Now the team pulls the cable slowly and carefully, keeping the fiber under control throughout the route. Once the cable reaches the next point, it is guided carefully toward the building without damaging the fiber. The cable is now at its destination. Next comes one of the most important steps: fusion splicing.